Hello lubricant oil business owners. You should not be in the business. You should be on the business. The world of lubricants is blazing with opportunities, having a global market size of $135 billion in 2022, projected to grow at a CAGR of 4.0% till 2030. But in spite of this treasure trove, many Lube pioneers are struggling to seize the fortunes that are pouring around due to the fact that more opportunities means more competition and more challenges to stand out amidst the crowd on the highway to success. Often the business leaders get drowned in the chaos of daily firefighting and trapped in the web of micromanagement, leaving no time to focus on business goals, vision and strategy. As a result, they sink in a sea of competition. It's time to get rid of this destructive routine and focus on your core business. Let Mystica train your sales force and bring the best out of it. Our online sales leadership program is designed to transform your sales team and maximize profitability. Mystica has designed this game-changing course by blending scientifically proven REPA sales techniques along with the fundamentals of tribology. Mystica will help you to differentiate your brand and build a loyal customer base through our unique value-based selling system. Think out of the oil barrels. Focus on selling oil tankers. Growth opportunities are raining.